Okay, so this is day 2 of the turbo drift truck teardown. All I've done is taken these injectors off and unplugged them, and took this little shroud box thing for the actual turbo off, but it's pretty much leaving off where I was in the last video. And yeah, I'm gonna try to take off all this mess with the help of my friend. So that last clip you guys just saw was like 3 days ago. I haven't really done much to the truck because I've been pretty busy, but all I did was take this off. It's not really on the stud, it's kind of just in there, but right now I'm going to take the valve cover off, and there's a couple screws in here that I need to take off for the actual head to come out. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now. God damn. Okay, so the valve cover is now off, and I took the timing chain sprocket out. And then from here you gotta take these. I already took them out. The head studs, there's 10 of them. You take those out and the head should come out. I have my timing chain tied to this so it won't fall in. But yeah, and then you also want to take these 10mm bolts. There's 4 of them. And yeah. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is just putting some brake cleaner on top of the piston. So it was looking something like that, black, and now it's looking a whole lot better. But yeah, not bad. I apologize for making the part 2 so like short. I didn't really record a lot because I just wanted to take everything off and just get it done. But I'm gonna be putting the head back on right now, so I'm gonna make 2 videos. Damn, look how nasty that is. Anyways, I'm gonna be making 2 videos. This is gonna be a part 2, so it's gonna be a very, very short video. Yeah, I forgot what I was gonna say. Okay, so I didn't really like describe how to take it off or even show how to take it off. So pretty much part 1 was taking the turbo manifold off, the turbo with the turbo feed, and the, what is the other one called? You guys know what I'm talking about, the other oil line. Half the intercooler piping, that was part 1. But in the part 2, which I didn't really show, but I'm going to explain what I did. So I took, it was I believe 5 bolts off the intake manifold. I just simply pulled the intake manifold to the side. I didn't take it out, I just left it in there. So it's still in there, but it's on the side. I took the 8 or 10 bolts, 8 or whatever it is, off the valve cover, and then 10 head studs out, and 4 little 10mm bolts that were in the front, and pretty much the head popped off. Yeah, the pistons were black on top. I forget what it's called. I know what it's called, but I can't think right now. But they were black, so I got some brake cleaner, sprayed it on top, got a little rag, just started scrubbing away, and they're a lot cleaner. So yeah, that's about it. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. Hello, boy. Just wasted